Welcome to the lecture series of Z transform. Today we are going to see a problem under difference equation. Look at the question. Solve the difference equation y of n plus 3y of n minus 1 minus 4y of n minus 2 equal to 0 where n greater than or equal to 0 and y of 0 equal to 3, y of 1 is equal to minus 2. So in this question what we are going to do is we are going to replace n as n plus 2. Because look at the question, it starts with n, n minus 1, n minus 2. So to bring the regular form of difference equation, we are replacing n as n plus 2. So what will happen? Y of n plus 2 plus 3 into y of n plus 1 minus 4 y of n equals 0 where n greater than or equal to 0. Now take Z transform on this equation. Z of y of n plus 2 plus 3 into z of y of n plus 1 minus 4 z of y of n equals 0. Now we can apply the result of z of y of n plus 2. So what is the result? Z square y bar minus z square y of 0 minus z y of 1 plus 3 into z of y of n plus 1 z y bar minus z y of 0 minus 4 z of y of n is nothing but y bar equals 0 where z of y of n equals y bar. Now given, what is given in the question? Y of 0 equals 3, y of 1 equals minus 2. So substitute that y of 0 as 3, y of 1 as minus 2 and here also it is 3. So what will happen? Z square y bar minus 3z square minus into minus plus 2z plus 3 into z y bar minus 3z minus 4 y bar equals 0. So now we will collect all the y bar terms. So y bar into z square plus 3z minus 4 and write the remaining terms minus 3z square plus 2z minus into minus 9z equals 0. That is y bar into z square plus 3z minus 4 minus 3z square minus 2z minus 9z. So minus 7z equal to 0. So which implies y bar equals 3z square plus 7z whole divided by z square plus 3z minus 4. So after this we are going to use partial fraction method. So before going to do the partial fraction, degree of numerator, degree of denominator both are 2. So we can make that z into 3z plus 7 divided by this one we can factorize as 4. So we can write this as z plus 4 into z minus 1. So now we can bring the z into the denominator. So y bar by z equal to 3z plus 7 divided by z plus 4 into z minus 1. We can call this as equation 1. Now consider we are going to apply partial fraction. So 3z plus 7 divided by z plus 4 into z minus 1. So this can be written as degree of the denominator is 2. So we can have two variable. So a by two constants. So a by z plus 4 plus b by z minus 1. Now to find the value of a and b. So before that we will cross multiply this. 3z plus 7 equal to a into z minus 1 plus b into z plus 4. So now we can give the values for z. Okay, so put z is equal to 1. So what will happen? This term will become 0. We can get the value for b. So 3 plus 7 equals a into 0 plus b into 1 plus 4. So 5b equal to a. 5b equal to 10, b is equal to 2. Likewise, put z equal to minus 4. So what will happen? This term will become 0 and here it is minus 12 plus 7 equals a into minus 4 minus 1 plus b into 0. So this is minus 5 equals minus 5a plus 0, which implies a is equal to 1. So a equal to 1, b is equal to 2. So from equation 1, y bar by z equals 3z plus 7 divided by z plus 4 into z minus 1 equals a is equal to 1. So 1 by z plus 4 plus b by b is equal to 2, b by z minus 1. Therefore, y bar by z equals 1 by z plus 4 plus 2 by z minus 1. We will cross multiply this, which implies y bar equals z by z plus 4 plus 2z by z minus 1. Now, we know that y bar is nothing but z of y of n equals z by z plus 4 plus 2z by z minus 1. Take z inverse on both sides. So what will happen? Y of n equals z inverse of z by z plus 4 plus 2 into z inverse of z by z minus 1. So this is nothing z by z minus a. So this is nothing but instead of a here it is 4. So we can write this as minus 4 power n plus 2 into, and this is of the form z by z minus a. So 1 power n, where n greater than or equal to 0. Here what is the result? Z inverse of z by z minus a. Answer is a power n. So in the place of a here we are having 4. So instead of minus here it is plus. So minus into minus we can make this one. So the result is minus 4 power n. Therefore, the answer of the given question is minus 4 power n plus 2 into 1 power n, where n greater than or equal to 0. This is the answer for the given question. Thank you for watching.